Eat the table. Good boy. All of these guys and his buddies, which I've placed elsewhere throughout this patch of bee balm, they were on my dill, and we can't have that. Since these are a beautiful swallowtail caterpillar, I moved them instead of feeding them to the chickens. Work with nature, not against it. And that's just a small portion of the bee balm in this field. There's multiple other fields full of it, so they can eat all the bee balm they want. If they eat, I don't know, do they eat bee balm?
He looks so...
The gap,
Yeah.
Busher to Truex has not changed in here. They
He has
start
the
pit road together.
poor guy.
And remember, there's no pit.
Tons. Rude. Tons of squash blossoms, but it's dying. And I'm not really sure why. We got corn growing! You are so rude! Well, crap. I let that one get too big. And it's the first okra of the summer, too. See, these bushes are loaded with beans, but they're just not big enough yet. You need more time. I found two. And yes, I am the dingleberry who somehow planted a squash over here with the green beans instead of over there where the squash actually are. That's my dinosaur kale. It's only just a little bit late. I want to say that's catnip. Could be wrong though. That's some very sad lettuce. That is some very nice basil. However, I don't know if do I pick the leaves off? Do I snap part of the stem off? I don't know. More lettuce. Not as sad. And I just found that on my dill. It can't stay there. I'm gonna put it in a jar for my kids. Any chance for a homeschool project. All those yellow flowers and all those itty bitty cucumbers. So many pickles in the future. These are the first of the tomato blossoms.
He's like, there's a forest fire! No!
Get down. You're not allowed in my garden.
No, no, no.
You destroy things.
No. Oh. He was like, no, I don't want.
Look at all your flowers, baby.
I know. Like,
Beautiful. Aren't they gorgeous?
Those ones are dying when they just started growing, but like, which ones are mine? Which ones?
All of them. This whole box is yours. All
Are
these
they-
flowers are yours.
Are they all of these? Are they the snapdragons?
He's been there.
Dang.
Yeah. Because I showed him the picture of him. He goes, oh, I know that guy.
I wonder if we've met him and just didn't know it.
Yeah. Have you seen him? A picture of him?
Took some. What the hell kind of shenanigans do we got going on? How many of you are in there? Yeah, you might be a good at. Are you stuck? Yeah, you're probably stuck. Didn't want the nice clean water we had at the house. No, 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 no. He wants the mud puddle, and he wants the cow water. Yeah, hi. Talking about you. These plants are the devil, but my God, the flowers are beautiful. Just look at them. Perfect, pristine snow white. It almost looks like sunshine in the middle. Beautiful flowers. Asshole devil plants. These plants also suck, like big time, but have gorgeous flowers. Just don't touch them, like any part of them. It hurts. Not even that, like, like it's not a cactus type plant. I mean, those are spines and they will get you. But that's the get you part's not the part that hurts. I get, well, it kind of is. You end up with a rash and welts. You don't really end up with prickles in your skin like you would with a cactus. No. Full-blown rash. Very painful, very itchy. 0 stars, do not recommend. And we have a... Where'd you go, bud? There it is. Yoink. Oh, shit. Come here, you. Let's see. Toes are not webbed. We have a toad. Not sure what kind of toad, but we have a toad. Look at him go. He don't need no help. He is super punch cow puppy. Da 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 da. Good morning, ladies. We built that on Sunday. Took the whole day. It was just me and Trash Farm Dad, and it was really hard. I didn't grow up country. I grew up trailer park. I'm not used to doing that kind of crap. Morning chores are over. I'm gonna sit here with my book until the rest of the house wakes up and it's time to start some breakfast. Hope you enjoyed the little mini span of 2 or 3 days worth of vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ignore the mess back there. Like, we're pretending that shelf doesn't exist right now.